Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl AI girl and I'm here with another video. So in this video we're actually going to look at how you can make $500 to $1,000 with just $5 a month. Okay, so with just $5 a month you can actually make about $500 to $1,000 using this single and simple app. Okay, and everything is going to be automated, so you don't have to worry yourself so much about it. So now let's get straight into the video without talking too much. Now if you come over here to Fiverr and you just search for PowerPoint presentation or pitch deck, just type a pitch deck and then you search, you can see various people over here who are making quite a lot of money by just making PowerPoint presentation or pitch decks for companies. Okay, now if you look into this profile, for instance, you can actually see that over here you actually get paid $100 for making up to how many slides? 5 slides. 5 slides. Okay, and then when you move to the next one, which is the standard, you pay $395. You get paid $395 for what? 20 PowerPoint slides. And then it gets even better when we get to the premium, where you get about $785 for our 40 slides. Yes, I understand that anyone can charge whatever they want, okay, but this is the normal price. If you also look at this designer, you can see that for the basic it's actually about $500 for 10 slides. Okay, for 10 slides. Standard is $1,000 for 20 slides and premium is $1,500 for 30 slides. So you can actually see that you are not really limited to making $500 a month, because of course you might even get more than this if you get more requests to do this kind of work. Now if you look into the designer's portfolio, you can see that the project duration takes 1 to 7 days, of course, and sometimes it may take a day or even less than a day with the help of AI. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use an AI to actually make simple things like this. Okay, so you can actually go through the person's designs and you can see that these are things that can easily be done with AI. Okay, these are stuff that you can actually do with AI. So we're going to look at how you can actually do this with AI. Now the app or the platform that we are going to use is actually Canva. Okay, we're going to use Canva. Now if you look at these designs that this person, who is a top rated person, okay, so don't be scared, you're not going to have to do anything crazy. You can see over here that the things that he is doing is actually very simple. Okay, these are very simple things that anyone can actually do. Okay, so let's get into it and see how we can actually make stuff like this also. Okay, you can actually make stuff like this. So we're going to use the Canva AI tool, but mind you, you would need the paid version, which is the Canva Pro, so that you're not limited when it comes to the designs or the number of requests that you can actually make with this. Okay, now I know that Canva Pro is now about $15 per month, and that would probably be a huge investment for someone who's just starting up. So watch to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how you're actually going to get Canva AI for just about $5 a month. Okay, so that's why you're going to use or invest just about $5 a month, and then you are still going to get the Canva Pro and be able to make all your designs. Now let's take a real life example. Let's say that a company comes to you, or you get a client online, either on Fiverr or it could even be locally in your community, and then they ask you to make them a pitch deck. Okay, maybe let's say they're just starting up a pizza shop, and let's say that they gave the pizza shop name Pizza. So you're basically going to input that information over here, and any other information that they give you, you can actually add to the prompt over here. So let's just say we ask Canva AI to create us a pitch deck for a pizza shop. Okay, and then let's give the shop name. So the shop name is, let's say, Pizza. Okay, so Pizza over here, and then we can basically click search over here, and then we wait for a while to see what designs that Canva AI can actually get us over here. Just waiting for a few seconds to see. Okay, so here we have some designs here ready. So you can see you can actually choose any one that you think you like. So this is 8 slides also. Okay, so we can do this. I think this looks nice, either this or this. So we can actually take any of this. Mind you, you can just click here to edit, or you can still ask Canva AI to do even more for you. So if the company has given you more information, you can actually edit, add a whole lot. Just ask Canva AI to do it and it's going to do it for you. Now you can also change the colors over here. So just click with bold colors and then we'll see what happens over here. Okay, so now you can see that the colors have actually changed over here, and then we can just choose any one that we want over here. Then on color here, once you select any one you want here, just click color, and basically you can just change the colors for the design. Okay, so whatever colors the company gives you and asks that, okay, our brand color is blue and red, or it's blue and orange, or this and that. Okay, you can basically change it to any color that you want. Okay, now you can see that the information over here might not be what you want. Okay, the overview and all that, this might not be what the company wants. So basically they will give you that information to input. Yours is to design, okay, which you are already doing. Then if you want to change anything, you can just come to here to use Canva editor, and then it will open up the Canva editor interface for you. Then you can obviously edit any information that you have here, literally copy or paste whatever information that the company has given you here. Okay, if they have their logo, you can actually just insert the logos onto the slides, and here you have it. Your PowerPoint page deck is ready. Okay, your PowerPoint or your page deck is ready. You can actually edit to whatever you want to it and then just send it to them. If they requested for more slides, you can actually add more pages to this. So here you have it. It's as simple as that. The Canva AI tool is a really great tool you can actually use to make money. Okay, now I will be showing you how you can get this Canva Pro for $5 a month. Okay, so if you come here, I will be leaving the link in the description. So you just click the link, it will take you to a page like this, and then over there you should be able to get Canva Pro for $5 and a few cents every month. And then you can basically open up your platform either on Fiverr or any other network or any other platform that you can actually sell this designs, and then there you go. Thank you for staying up to this point of the video, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like you to subscribe so that anytime we make new videos you can also get to see. It's your girl AI girl once again, and I'm out.